Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to your much needed update on Bitcoin. All right, we'll do a full update. As most of you know, we'll just have a look at the open interest, the technicals, to try to give you a full overview of what to expect. And if you're new to the channel, then let's get right into it, and you'll see what I mean. But when I said very much needed, what I meant is that right now Bitcoin, I think, is at a pretty crucial point of time. All right, so what we saw in the last couple of days is we gained some hope. We had some momentum, some real strong momentum growth. All right, it was not some sort of a fake out or short covering. And now what you saw is that the momentum really went up, but that really did stop yesterday night. All right. So starting then, the momentum started to drop back down. In general, this market structure, like this, could still turn into some sort of a head and shoulders pattern, right? So that's something to look out for. Something like that could be playing out, and that would mean much more downside. Like then, 52,000 would be a realistic target. But right now, it could still go both ways, all right? Because there is no clear trend in the momentum, except for if you zoom out a lot or if you zoom in a lot. And the same goes for the price. There's no real, like, especially if you go to the 1 hour time frame. This is just, on the short term, it's just very neutral. And what we are waiting for, and the entire market is practically waiting for this, is some sort of a confirmation, all right? Some sort of confirmation that we either break back above 67,000 and really start to test 69 and 70,000, because that is very much necessary, I would say, if we really want to see some more bullish market circumstances. Or and that's not the most ideal scenario, but it's a very realistic scenario, and I don't think long term it's that bad either, because or we will drop back down below 65,000, which yesterday was able to provide support. We drop down below that, we start to drop back down to 62,000, but in general, then the market structure would be bearish, all right? So then 62,000 would be a strong support level. That level has held us up for a couple of times right here, as you can see. But if we really get that bearish breakout here, and it's combined with a loss of momentum as well, and you see the momentum dropping back down towards levels it was at earlier this week and at the end of last week as well, then you should assume that we're going to drop down lower as well. All right, so then once we confirm some sort of a bearish market structure, that means it's most likely we're going to be more bearish. All right. So that really is what we're waiting for right now. I mean, it's a Friday. Fridays are usually quite volatile. Personally, I'm expecting a bullish breakout a little bit more, but that might also just be wanting to see a bullish breakout. So I'm not sure whether to trust that. And purely technically, it's just best to wait for objective confirmation. All right, the numbers, the chart doesn't lie to you. So if you wait for that breakout, and if the open interest, if the momentum is in line with that breakout, for example, open interest drops down when we get a bearish breakout and open interest rises when we get a bullish breakout, then you have your confirmation. And based on that, together with the Bitcoin dominance, you can make plays on altcoins or not. And you just know what to expect from the markets. But for now, I cannot really say anything about it, all right? Because both of these numbers, the price and the open interest, could really go both ways. So just wait for the breakout. Like I said, 66,700 main level to break to the upside, 65,000 main level to break to the downside. Wait for one of those levels to break, and based on that, make your decisions and make your predictions. All right? For now, just wait. But those are my thoughts. That's what I think you need to know for now. If you do have any questions, then let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.